You need to start exploring the Sui meme coin space right now. Here are my reasons. Aside me telling you that the ecosystem is giving that signal that is going to give us a potential return in this bull season, considering various reasons I've listed before, and that was in my previous video. You can go and see the video. The link also be in the description. But in this video, I want to show you the simplest and the easiest way you can trade the Sui meme coins. But there are few things you need to consider before coming in here. First off, the Solana meme coins are saturated and some of them has hit over $1 billion market cap. But the Sui meme coins are still around 100 million market cap. What does this entail? If institutional investors start putting in a lot of money, there will be a full concentration that will pump the meme coins to $1 billion market cap. People actually did well. It's currently sitting at 105 million market cap as at the time I am making this video. Meaning from here to 1 billion market cap is already 9x from here. So in case you're considering even buying any of them. If you've listened to Murat, this young guy here, he has given a sound proof why meme coins is changing the narrative in the crypto space. And if you're not involved in the meme coin space, you might not really make enough money for yourself. And consider buying OG meme coins and hold it just as you hold utility meme coins, because they are holding the potential gains that you are looking for. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to my phone. I'll be using my phone to show you how you can install the best wallets and start trading any of these meme coins. So the first step is to download Sui Wallet. I prefer Sui Wallet among other wallets because it's from the same Sui ecosystem. So the official website is suiwallet.com. I will be leaving the link in the description, or you can still go to your Apple Store or Google Store to install it, or you come to the website and then you click on this place. So I'm using an Android device. I'll be using this Google Play, and once you've installed this, the next step is to open. And now here is the interface, and this is how it looks. Now you can use your Google account to open. You can use this particular social media account to open, which I don't know, but you can also use Facebook accounts. And if you click on more options here, you can import from a passphrase in case you've created an account before, or you can use a private key. If you don't have any account at all, then you need to create a new passphrase account. So by clicking here, and then this place is where you will see your passphrase or your seed phrase. I do recommend you save it in a secure place. If possible, write it in a piece of paper and store it in a very secure place. Do not store in your Google Drive, because whoever hacks your Google or has access to your email can always get to your passphrase or your seed phrase, and who gain access to this can automatically withdraw your money. Remember, the idea of this passphrase is giving you control over your money where nobody should be in charge of your fund. So next step is to copy it and save, and then you click on next. So once you get to this place, it shows that you can use a pin on your device, or you can use your fingerprint to open the wallet. So you click on next like I have done, and then I use my fingerprint and I've created the wallet. As simple as that. Now up here is my wallet. What I need to do is to copy this wallet here and go to any centralized exchange like Binance or Bybit or any place I can bridge it and then forward to this place. Note, if you are sending from any of those centralized exchange, make sure the network you're using is Sui. And once you've sent it here, then you are good to go. Say you want to trade a particular Sui coin. Let me show you how you can do that. All right, so say you want to buy this Hippo Sui. All right, now you can see that the exchange here is Citrix, but you might not necessarily need it because it might take a lot of connection and all that to do that. But this coin is currently trading at 2.6 million liquidity right here, a market cap of 104, and you can see the buy and trading volume for the day, buy volume and all that. Then you scroll down, you can see that it has pair Hippo. Copy this Hippo pair, say you want to buy it, come down to your Sui wallet, open it, come to your apps. Now I'll be making a video explaining all these other applications you will use here, but in this video we'll be using Hope Aggregator. So you click on it, then you come to the swap part. Now make sure you already have your Sui already here, meaning that you have some money to trade, because any coin you want to trade here, you're using your Sui to trade. Click on connect wallet, same connect to this Sui wallet that you used here, and then you click on connect. Now once you connect, you're automatically going to see your Sui balance right here. So say I have Sui here and I want to buy that coin Hippo that I copied the contract address. I will click on this place and then I'll paste it here. It pops out below here here and it's verified. I will tap on it. Then I can choose how many SUI I want to use and buy. Say I want to buy with 2,000 SUIs, and you're going to see the equivalent. Now I don't have money here, so that's why you can't continue. But once there is money, you're going to see confirm transaction, and that is all. You verify the transaction and you swap your SUI to this particular people, and that's how you can buy without you using other bolt or passing through the DEXs you want to use. This is one of the best you can use here, and the fee is also low. So when you want to sell to, what you need to do is to come here, click here this way, meaning that you are selling this your hippo back to SUI whenever you have seen profit. So this is basically how you can trade on this application without any stress. So like I said, the fee is free. Look at it here. They say get the best rate and fast swap with no added fee. So for now, I would advise you use this application to trade all your memes because it's going to be fast and of course no fees attached. So this will be the end of this video, but in my next video, like I said previously, I'll be giving you a list of the Sui coins that I'll be holding for this bull run. So if you're ready to see those coins I'll be holding in this bull run from the Sui ecosystem and of course the meme coins, now hit the subscription button you see now and then comment below portfolio, and I'll be making the next video for you. See you in my next video. My name is Kibeni.